Sometimes you want to flex. Sometimes you want to say, hey, look at me. Hey, look at me. Andy, look at this. Sometimes you just want to flex. We're gonna do some hot honey Asian style bok choy lamb chops. So easy, let me show you how to do it. Before we get started cooking, we're gonna get started cooking, prepping to cook. You know what I meant, Andy. I wanna go ahead and get to my coals. Now I wanna bang down on my brasero, get a little bit of those embers to fall down through. I wanna make kind of a 2-zone cook here because we are gonna cook the bok choy in a cast iron, but then we're also gonna cook our lamb over those, so we need a decent bed here. Once I get my decent bed, that means I'd say like an inch or so thick bed of coals. I'm gonna lower it down with my cast iron right over the coals because I want that to start getting ripping hot. Now we can talk about lamb. Andy mentioned before we started filming, you don't cook lamb all that often.
I'm just a little intimidated by it.
Wait, have you ever cooked lamb?
I've never cooked lamb.
Okay, lamb is simple. Lamb is super easy. We're gonna season. These are little lamb chops, and I'm seasoning over the top. It's easy so far?
Yeah.
Easy so far?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Now you could do this with lamb lollipops if you want to. Those are really fun for presentation. But I'm gonna go hard with a little sauce later. No, also notice you guys have been watching the show for a while. That's not nuts. You guys have seen me season way more aggressively in the past because my sauce is gonna have some soy. We're gonna get into that in a second. Actually, we're not even gonna cook yet. I wanna prep my bok choy also. Andy said also doesn't do bok choy a lot.
I've never had bok choy.
Well, all right. I wanna do one thing.
Okay.
I wasn't gonna do this.
All right.
We've got all this fire. Yes.
Okay.
We've got all this fire. We're gonna take advantage of it and get some of that flavor. Now this is bok choy. Bok choy, you can treat it like cabbage, but it has a really fantastic texture. Check this out. You know where we're going. I'm gonna go right here, right in the fire.
Oh, geez.
Just for a second.
Oh, my Lord.
Wait for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we've got some char. Just a little bit of char. One more time. I want the flavor of fire. You can smell the wood.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Just a little bit. Now I still got texture. That's what I wanted.
All
We'll
right.
do it again. You wanna do it this time?
Nope.
Nuh-uh. Once I go in the pan, I'm not really gonna get that char, and I just want a little bit of it. Like we're just getting a small little bit of char. 5, 10 seconds top. Ooh, you can hear it. Can you hear it?
You can.
Now with that char, we are gonna get a lot of flavor. It's not even hot, it wasn't even on long enough. This is totally not gonna make any sense to you at home. Andy, smell this.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and it's just a touch. I mean, it's still like, it's still firm. It's still fully raw. Say fully cooked. Fully raw. I'm gonna cut this into more manageable pieces here. The reason I like bok choy so much, say that 5 times real fast, is because of its texture. It can stand a lot of abuse, right? It's really, really fibrous and really, really great. All right, I feel good about this. I'm gonna slide this off a little bit. You can see some of those little bits are still charred. Now for some color, I'm gonna do a little julienne of some red bell pepper. This is gonna add some sweetness, but most importantly, it's gonna add that beautiful little pop of color that we want, because we eat with our eyes first, right? And then also these, my little ones, my boys, these never go in because these always end up as little treats, little buttons. It's a little pepper button. It's really sweet. Whoa, it's a really good pepper. That's fun. All right, on to sauce. The sauce is only 5 ingredients. I say only, like that's not a lot. Is that a lot of ingredients, Andy?
For you, no.
Well, it's not difficult. It's sesame, hoisin, soy sauce, sriracha, and a bit of honey. I mean, that's not complicated.
I feel like I already have all these.
You probably have all of them. Yeah, mix that up and hold it on to later. Now, we're ready to start cooking. I did a thing, Andy.
Oh, no.
I did a thing the other day, and it was a glorious thing. I did some insanely delicious, beautiful bone marrow.
Oh.
I did some fire roasted bone marrow, and it was legendary, and then something happened at the end of that episode.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but we're gonna get rid of these. All that rendered
How are you gonna do this?
beef fat, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do something like this. Will this work? Oh, what are we gonna use that for?
I don't know, but I'm excited.
I'm using that for something. Okay, we're mixing, we're going barnyard. I've got some of that.
I gotta tell you, great idea.
I think so.
Let me see that.
We'll see.
Let's get in there. Let me see.
Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh, it's a little chilly out here. Oh man. Like, come on now. Come on now. Waste not, want not. If you got it, use it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now we might be ready to cook. All right.
Let's do it.
Come walk with me, Andy.
Yeah, I got you.
Our cast iron, hopefully, is nice and hot. And you give it a whoo.
That's a grown man right
Woo!
there. Grown man.
You do the old how long can I hold my hand over the fire test. I'm going to bring this up so you can see it. Otherwise, you're shooting down in the pit.
Thank you.
So much
Ah,
fun. Doesn't that just feel good?
now I can see.
So with my bok choy, I already have a touch of char on there.
Right.
And I'm going to add it all right to my pan. And we're going to let this cruise for a bit. Remember earlier we talked about it's a hardy green, right? Like it can handle the heat. So this cast iron is going to hold a lot of that heat. Once we add it all, let's let it cook for, let's say 2 minutes. Then we're going to slide it off to the side. And I'm going to add some more coals. I want to get this bed of embers ripping hot. Because now we're going to cook our lamb, and I want to go fast and furious. The open flame design gives us the ability to go up and down, right? It's fun, it's cathartic. I just love the sound of it too. I want to be right like 3-4 inches above the coals before I add my lamb. Now when I add my lamb, remember we didn't season too heavy. I want to get my caramelization. I want to get 70% done before I use my brush on my sauce. Now reserve some of the sauce. I want to throw some of this in the greens later, but we're going to brush lightly on the lamb when it's like 70-80% done. We want to finish in the sauce. Remember we added some honey, so that honey can burn if we add it too soon, which is why we didn't do it already. And it's got some soy, which is why we didn't add too much salt. So pay attention, like as you learn to cook, as you're playing with fire and playing with new recipes, pay attention to the process, not specifically the recipe. That way you can get as creative as you want and try different things and get rid of the honey if you don't like it, or add the honey sooner but cook way further away from the grates. There's something different about fire. Sometimes it's just, I don't know, it's just a feeling. It feels great. Open flame is such a fun addition to the backyard. I love the griddle because I want to go quick and fast. It's convenient, all the stuff that we know and love about it. But now having this as a companion, I'm able to do some stuff I didn't do before. Having the access to the kiss of flame, I like to call it like that, Andy.
Ooh.
Kiss of flame.
Sounds like a death metal band.
Yeah, it should be, or a fine dining restaurant, one or the other. Actually, Andy said something funny a second ago. Like at the end of plating, sometimes things just come together really quickly, and it's very simple stuff. Nothing crazy difficult, nothing crazy complicated, but just all of a sudden, with 1 or 2 extra steps, things feel different. They feel elevated. They feel like you're flexing. You're flexing that primal muscle, the fire muscle, the delicious muscle. And what you're left with is something like this. Now, asado, we talked about this in a few episodes in the past. Asado technically means roasted in Spanish, but that's not what it means. An asado is when everyone comes over and hangs out. It's an event, it's an experience. So this is a fun one for an appetizer. So I would do this while I'm getting ready to cook the rest of the fun stuff. And this is a bit of fusion, right? Andy, I mean, come in here close, look at this thing. This doesn't look like a standard hot dog, hamburger, first thing you eat at a barbecue.
Dude, this looks crazy.
Right, so delicious, so easy, and so simple. None of these ingredients were difficult, right? I'm not gonna take a bite of this one, but I'm gonna take a bite of this one.
Attaboy.
I wanna look at this. Can you see how juicy?
Oh yeah.
So juicy. Let's see how we did on the cook. This is a little piece of meat. Oh my gosh.
Take a beat, it's okay.
So much flavor. The sugar, definitely wait to glaze at the end. Glaze a few times as you flip. Oh my. Oh, no. Can't forget that bok choy. Remember I said, could you hear the crunch?
I can hear the crunch.
It was on there for a minute. It still has some body. Oh, I need another bite. I can wax on eloquent all day long. I can just keep talking. Actually, can you see? We were on there quite a bit, but I'm still at a medium-ish, maybe a touch past medium. I'm fine with that. I am absolutely fine with that. Flavor through the roof. So this is a fun one. Give this one a try. If you haven't seen the open flame yet, welcome to your new addiction. Perhaps your new love affair with all things beauty and fire. So much fun. Actually, we're gonna keep cooking and add some more wood. Keep the coals going. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff, do all the things. Give this a try at home and let me know down in the comments. This is Quick Fire. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I will see all of you in the next episode. There's a double pump.
Oh, 3. Go for 4. There it is.